Today's math lesson is lesson 9.2, reading fractions. Let's begin with our do now. Determine if each picture is split into equal or unequal parts and do your best. Feel free to pause the video to copy this page down, or you may print it off. Now let's get into some fluency practice. Today's fluency practice is yoga pose skip counting. Pick a yoga pose below and hold the pose while skip counting by 2s, 5s, and 10s. You may pick from the tree pose, warrior one pose, or namaste pose. Try to do all three. Have fun. Good work. Today, skill focus. Today we are talking about how to read fractions. A fraction represents part of a whole. When we write fractions, they look like this. We have a number with a line below it and a number underneath the line. We refer to the bottom numeral or number as the denominator. That tells us how many parts there are in the whole item. We refer to the top number as the numerator. That tells us how many parts we are talking about. Let's do some practice fractions, and I want to see if you can tell me the numerator and the denominator for these fractions. Here are the first set of fractions. 1/2 and 3/5. I want you to be thinking of the denominator for these fractions. Here's our second set of fractions. I want you to be thinking about the numerator for these fractions. So let's go back to the top. 1/2. What is the denominator? If you guessed 2, you are correct. 3/5. What is the denominator? If you guessed 5, you are correct. Great job. Now, to the fractions at the bottom, you're looking for the numerator. Remember, the numerator is the number above the line. 2/3. What is the numerator? 2. You got it. 1/8. What is the numerator? 1. Very good. All right, friends, let's do some more practicing with fractions. This time, you are going to determine the fraction that matches the image. Image 1. What is the fraction? If you guessed 1/6, you are correct. Image 2. 3/4. Image 3. If you guessed 4/5, you are correct. Image 4. If you guessed 2/3, you are correct. Great work, friends. Now it's your turn. Print or copy this sheet of paper on a paper, or you may copy it just on another sheet of paper. Once you've completed that, you may upload your completed work to your portfolio on ClassDojo or send it through a message to Mrs. Williams or Ms. Urbanek. Happy learning, friends!